Whereas mental health is essential to the overall health and well-being of every individual, every family, and every community. And whereas in Chautauqua County, we recognize that mental health challenges are common, affecting all ages of people, backgrounds, and walks of life, and that seeking help is a sign of strength. And whereas the theme for Mental Health Awareness Month 2025, Small Steps, Big Impact, reminds us that every conversation, every act of kindness, and every effort to support mental health wellness creates meaningful and lasting change. And whereas promoting the mental health of children and youth is vital to their healthy development, academic success, and lifelong well-being. And public acceptance is essential in building a supportive environment for young people facing mental health challenges. And whereas Chautauqua County proudly recognizes Children's Mental Health Acceptance Week to be observed from May 4th through May 10th, 2025, encouraging all residents to learn about, support, and advocate for the mental health needs of our youngest citizens. And whereas on May 8th, 2025, Chautauqua County will celebrate Wear Green Day, encouraging all residents to wear green, the color of mental health awareness, as a visible symbol of support, hope, and solidarity. Now, therefore, I, Paul M. Wendell Jr., Chautauqua County Executive, do hereby proclaim May of 2025 as Mental Health Awareness Month. May 4th through the 10th, 2025 is Children's Mental Health Acceptance Week. And May 8th, 2025 as Wear Green Day throughout Chautauqua County. In Chautauqua County, and I encourage all citizens, businesses, schools, organizations, and communities to take small steps to create big impacts in promoting mental wellness, standing against stigma, and building a culture of compassion, acceptance, and support for all. In witness whereof, I have hereto set my hand and caused the seal of the great county of Chautauqua to be affixed this 8th day of May, 2025, signed by myself, Paul M. Wendell Jr., County Executive. You know, again, as a teacher and had my administrative degree, what I'm finding out now more than ever, we could always, understand. When I was growing up, first started teaching, it was learning disabilities, dyslexia or problems with writing, reading, etc. But really the underlying problem we're now facing is the mental health of our children. And we talk about stigma, but with children, it's not something that's going to be plaguing them for life. It's not a scarlet letter that they get when they're first, assessed or screened in maybe UPK or kindergarten or first grade, and sticks with them until they leave as a graduate. All it does is it helps us identify and enables us to work with children. We know that most children, these tendencies and habits need to be fostered and actually shared with a positive mental health prior to the age of 12. Once that happens, the behaviors and the patterns continue on, and it's a little bit harder, to change that mindset. But I thank everybody and can't stress enough. I urge this with the governor that youth mental health is critical to Chautauqua County. Getting in our schools, we've had a focus on more social workers in our schools, our public schools, making sure that those students have time to talk. And many of you, don't forget that as Mental Health Awareness Month, counselors need counselors as well. Every one of us needs good, solid mental health. I can tell you myself as well as anybody, there are days I need my downtime to decompress. But on behalf of myself and the residents, thank you all for everything you do and your continued support to help our children, but also provide for a solid mental wellness for all of our residents across the county. Thank you.